this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks. We talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. So I've been thinking about doing a new series of short videos called Question of the Day. And I guess my question of the day today is, how much do you guys ride a year in miles or kilometers, if that's your thing, and I'll do the math, or you can give it to me in miles. And you know, how many months out of the year do you actually ride to cover those miles? So I'll go first. I ride about 9,000 miles a year. That's based on, since I bought this motorcycle, when I first got it, I was on par to do 12,000 miles a year, but life happens, things happen, and you know, I was fortunate enough that events changed and I got to spend a lot more time with my kids, but that meant I rode a little less often, and that's okay. I'm good with that. Yeah, let me know where you are at, if you don't mind, rough out area, you know, because if you live up north, you got a lot less riding season than those guys in Florida that ride year round. So, you know, that makes a difference. And this isn't a measuring contest. You know, nobody gets a prize for riding more miles than anybody else. We all live different lives. We have different reasons why we ride what we do. You know, some have small children, some have work 12-hour days, you know, some live up north and don't get to ride as often. Everybody's got you know, different circumstances, and this isn't, you know, a penis measuring contest by no means. Please, y'all be nice, be respectful to each other in the comments. No giving nobody shit about how much they ride or don't ride. I was in a conversation recently, and you know, one guy doesn't ride in the winter because he doesn't want to get all the crap all over his bike and have to clean it all the time, and you know, that's his thing. That's fine. That's, you know, that doesn't make him less of a rider. He's just got different reasons for riding, different styles, different, you know, what's important to him is different. If you've been doing this long enough, you'll find motorcycle enthusiasts and bikers from all walks of life. You know, some are business owners, some are in the construction industry, you know, some are professionals, doctors and lawyers and computer geeks. And that's my question of the day. How much do you ride? How many months of the year do you get to ride? Rough idea where you're rolling out of, so that gives us an idea of maybe why you only ride 6-8 months out of the year. That's maybe all your season is. I'm curious to know, so I really appreciate if you take the time to leave me a comment. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, make sure you subscribe down below. Hit that bell to be notified when I bring out a new video. And as always, thanks for your support. Have a great day. Stay safe and keep on riding.